In May, we had a series of exercises in the bay with life flight helicopters.
These drills are repeated, so that all our crews get the chance to train and gain the unique experience and excitement working at close quarters with rescue helicopters.
Each sortie is planned and executed so that both aircrew, divers, and Coast Guard crew get to experience and familiarize with rescue and deck transfer procedures.
Our practice dummy, Fred, gets a lot of use, wear, and tear.
Last Wednesday, in a break between strong wind warning days, it was White Crew's turn to go out.
Once again, Hector was kept busy on deck.
On this trip, Kim Rogerson was the vessel master.
David and Hector took it in turns to helm.
David K., David C., Neil, Graham, Andrea, and Cara made up the remainder of the crew.
All went well, and without a glitch.
After a long day's hard work, in beautiful conditions, we all head home past Old Woman Island with the feeling that these exercises have gone well and that they will prepare us all for what might lie ahead.